Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the impressive features of the 2025 Komatsu D375A-8 Dozer, a powerhouse in the world of heavy machinery. The Komatsu D375A-8 is engineered for demanding tasks, boasting a net horsepower of 609 HP at 1,800 revolutions per minute. This robust power ensures efficient performance in challenging environments. One standout feature is the automatic torque converter lockup system. This system enhances efficiency during long pushes by transmitting full engine power directly to the transmission, leading to faster cycle times and reduced fuel consumption. Operator comfort is a priority in the D375A-8's design. The cab is equipped with a high-resolution 7-inch LCD monitor, providing easy access to machine information. Additionally, the ergonomic layout and improved visibility contribute to a more comfortable and productive work environment. Durability is key in heavy machinery, and the D375A-8 doesn't disappoint. Structural enhancements to the mainframe and track frame increase the machine's longevity, ensuring it can withstand rigorous use over time. The Dozer's operating weight stands at approximately 163,340 pounds, 74,090 kilograms, providing the necessary stability for heavy-duty operations. Its blade capacity ranges from 18.5 to 22.0 cubic meters, allowing for significant material handling per pass. In terms of performance, the D375A-8 offers up to an 18% productivity increase over previous models. This boost is partly due to the over 20% increase in engine power when operating in reverse, optimizing cycle times and overall efficiency. Fuel efficiency is another highlight. The automatic transmission with a lockup torque converter can reduce fuel consumption by up to 10% compared to manual gearshift modes, making it both powerful and economical. Safety and maintenance are also well considered. Features like the rear-view monitoring system and easy access maintenance points ensure that operators can work safely and perform routine checks with minimal hassle. As for pricing, the 2025 Komatsu D375A-8 is a significant investment. While exact figures can vary based on configurations and regional factors, potential buyers should contact local dealers for detailed pricing information. That wraps up our overview of the 2025 Komatsu D375A-8 Dozer. Its combination of power, efficiency, and operator-focused design makes it a formidable choice for heavy-duty applications. Stay tuned to Car Updater for more insights into the latest in heavy machinery and automotive advancements.